So, cheers, yeah. Okay. All right. So today we are reviewing food from that the same food house. We're going to do assorted fried rice, assorted noodles, and Dadesen jollof. Perfect. Wow. Now let's check how much it weighs. Tell Asan can break his scale now. The noodles has a lot of sausage, meat, and eggs. What's that? I think I would have loved it a bit more spicy.
This pepper. A little bit more pepper.
A little bit more pepper, yeah. About to try the jollof. Like I said, jollof. I like restaurants don't change their hands until they taste the recipe, no matter the years they've been in service. Let me try the fried rice. So the fried rice will be. Yeah, I want to talk plenty. I'm only at the need waiting be as 5/5 or 12/12. I'm only at the. And I'm warm. The sausages, the chicken. Try the sit with the fried rice.
The fried rice is nice. Nice. It goes well with the chicken.
So, cheers, yeah. Yeah, boy. Okay. I think I will invite some of my fans so that we can all eat together in that Sanka. Let me know what you think. And then we'll set a date together with HungryMan. We can all have a dish in that Sanka together. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah. But private after I do not have any specific rate, but the food will be. The fried rice is good. The jollof, excellent. The noodles, amazing. Just wish the noodles had a lot of pepper. Overall, I enjoyed it. So we got all this food from Dadesen food house. They are located at Dome, Cables Junction. Yeah. Mukotobi. Why? We'll leave their details in the caption. Japon.